All right, Dr. Chris here live at the Nerve Health Institute. We got Miss Phyllis. Her grandchildren call her Lovie. So this is her second visit. And so the last time you walked unassisted was when?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. And she was just out doing some work in her garden, routine stuff, trimming some shrubs. Am I right?
That's right.
And then kind of just noticed she got weak, and that was it. And literally has not walked unassisted since then. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and put this here. Okay. Put your feet together and even. Now I want you just to try to stand up on your own. Can you do it?
No.
Okay.
Good.
Okay, scared. All right. Can you separate your feet a little bit? Holding on to me. Can you stand? Gotcha. I feel like you're gonna fall. Yeah. I mean, she has got a grip on me right now. Yep. Does this feel good?
Yes.
Come back up. Yes, ma'am. Lean forward again. So a lot of people have these devices. Come back up. It's not actually a device, it's the method we're using, how we're testing the nervous system, making sure the brain actually gets energy flow back. This feels good?
Yes. It does.
Lean forward, yes ma'am. Keep your feet together, try to stand up. Okay. Pick your heel up. Grip. There it is. Yeah. Okay.
I feel silly.
That's okay.